Hi guys, this is Trevor. Today we're making a very easy and quick recipe, sardine salad. Let's get started. Here is the sardine I'm using for today's recipe. You can use any sardine you find from the market, but I like the sardine preserved in olive oil instead of water. It just tastes better. Here is some tender celery leaves. Celery works really well with seafood, but if you can't find celery leaves, you can also just use some tender celery and chop them really finely. You can also be creative on this recipe. If you like it spicy, you can also just use some red chili pepper. For seasoning, we will add half a tablespoon of my homemade scallion oil. If you don't have it, you can also just use olive oil. But if you want to learn how to make it, you can watch my scallion oil video. And then our sardine salad is ready. It's very quick and easy. Serve this with a bagel. It will be a quick and delicious lunch. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. See you guys next time.